What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Jeff the Landshark from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the eyes. So we start with the one on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out. And we'll line this up on the right, going up and then out. Let's round out the side of the eye, going all the way around, come down, just pull that in towards a point. Let's add a highlight circle on the top of each eye, coming down, then up. And then along the bottom on the inside, add a smaller circle. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now for the inside corner of the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the brow, coming in and then up. Let's move all the way down and draw a curve for the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then down. Let's curl the corners of the mouth, coming around and then up. And we're going to add a bracket on the ends. Let's add some sharp teeth across the top. Starting in the center, we're going to come down and then up toward the left like a V. Add one on the right. Let's add a few more teeth going out towards the side. And go a little bit smaller as you go out towards the ends. Underneath the mouth, we're going to add the tongue, but we're going to shift this over towards the left. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this out and then down. Round up the tongue, go all the way across, and then up on the right. Let's add a fold in the center of the tongue. Let's open up the mouth, starting from the corners, bend this down and in behind the tongue. Go to the right side, going down, tucking that in behind. Let's add some teeth on the right side, going up and then down. Now I want to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to go out, coming down underneath the tongue, go across, up, and then in. Let's bend the side of the head, going up around the eyes, and then in. And we're going to close out the top of the head. We're just going to flatten this off with a slight curve, going up and then back down. Now in between the eyes and the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the top of the muzzle. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, round this out, and then come down. Now it's going to curve this up around the mouth, and then out towards the cheeks. Let's add two small black dots on either side for the nostrils. Now I'm going to go in between and add another curve for a fold. Now on the top of the head, we're going to add in the fin. Start with a curve going up and then over toward the left. Bend this back in and then down. Now underneath the head, we're going to draw a large oval, going all the way around and then back up towards the top. And then on the sides, draw two straight lines going up. Let's trace this oval along the inside. And they're going to write Jeff along the inside, all in upper caps. Let's go to the side of the cheeks. We're going to draw the bottom of the collar, starting on the left, moving down, across, and then in. Now underneath the head, we're going to draw the outside edge of the front legs. On the left, we're going to step down to create a gap. We go out and then down toward the bottom. Now on the right side, we're going to go all the way up towards the collar, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the legs. Coming down and then up. Now from the inside, I'm just going to bend the leg, going up and then in. Let's step down, draw on the bottom of the body, coming down and then up. Let's add a seam across the inside of the leg, starting from the collar, coming out and then down. On the outside of the foot, we're going to draw 3 curves for the toes. Let's start on the left, going up and then down. Add 2 more coming in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to shift the hind legs over towards the left side. So on the right, we're going to see the hind leg here, coming down and in, then it's up and in underneath the body. Let's line this up over on the left side. We're going to bend this out and up, go around the body. Now I'm just going to bend this up to create a fold. Now let's draw the edge of the tail. We're going to step down, bend this up and then out, bend this down and then out. Let's go up and then in. Now I'm going to draw the top half of the tail. We'll go all the way up and then bend that in. Now from the end of the tail, we're going to curve the body coming down and then in towards the side of the head. We're going to add a little point along the end. Let's go back and add some detail across the collar. We're going to start on the inside. We're going to come down, across and in, and then back down. Let's move over, coming down, across, and then down. Let's add another one on the outside. Then we'll add 2 over on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Jeff the Landshark from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.